Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastav and I am a faculty of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to discuss class 7 moral science and this is your third chapter, Super 30. This chapter is about self-release and determination. So students, you have to just do first satisfy yourself, then satisfying other. So you have to satisfy firstly yourself, not to others. This chapter is about Anand Kumar. Let's know something more about Anand Kumar. Anand Kumar born on 1st January 1973 and he is an Indian mathematics educator best known for his Super 30 program. That is what about your chapter is Super 30. And this program he started in Patna, Bihar in 2002 and which coaches underprivileged students for IIT-G. The entrance examination for the Indian Institute of Technology by 2018. 422 out of 481 students had made it to the IITs and Discovery Channel showcased his work in a documentary. Anand Kumar has spoken at MIT and Harvard about his program for students and from the underprivileged sections of Indian society. Kumar and his school have been subject of several smear campaigns, some of which have been carried in Indian media sources. His life and work are portrayed in the film 2019 film that was named as Super 30 and in this movie Hrithik Roshan is played as Anand Kumar. So let's start our chapter Super 30 and we will know about Anand Kumar and his Super 30 batch. So let's start our chapter. First thing is, if you don't give up on something you truly believe in, you will find a way. That means students, if you want to gain something, just you have to keep doing for it. You have to just keep practicing and don't give up until you gain your dream. So let's start. Anand Kumar, a math magician, recently appeared in Kaun Banega Karodpati season 10. So Anand Kumar came in 10th season of Kaun Banega Karodpati. Who is the anchor of this serial? Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is the anchor of Kaun Banega Karodpati. He loves to do mathematics and is brilliant in his field. He is very brilliant in his mathematics field. Due to his exceptional talent in mathematics, he received a call letter for admission to Cambridge. Just because he was very brilliant, actually he is very brilliant in the mathematics, so he received a call from Cambridge University. But very soon he realized that his father could not afford his fee at Cambridge because they belongs to a very middle family, so they were not able to afford all the expenses to go to Cambridge. He and his father searched helplessly to find a sponsor, but nobody came up. Both tried very hard for some help, but they got nothing. And one day, his family's only breadwinner, his father, demised and his last hope of getting good education shattered. So when he lost his father, he became very helpless and he lost his last hope to get some more and good education. He gave up the dream of Cambridge and returned to the home in Patna, Bihar. So after that, when his father was no more, he refused to go to Cambridge and returned to his hometown, that is Patna, Bihar. He started to work on mathematics during daytime and would sell papads in evening with his mother, who had started a small business from home to support her family. So that time there were very less way to earning. So his mother started a small home business of selling papad. So at the daytime, Mr. Anand Kumar was working for his mathematics, and at the evening he started to help her mother by selling papad. Soon started tutoring students in maths to earn extra money. He took a room on rent for 500 rupees per month and began his own institute, the Ramayan School of Mathematics, that is known as RSM. So he started to give coachings to the students, and after that he took a room on rent. The rent was 500 rupees per month, and he named his institute as Ramayan School of Mathematics. Within a space of 1 year, his class grew from 2 to 36 students, and after 3 years, there were almost 500 students enrolled. When he started with only 2 students, but after that, within 1 year, there was 36 students, and within 3 years, there were 500 students. Then in early 2000, when a poor student came to him seeking coaching for IITG, who could not afford the annual admission fee due to poverty, Kumar was motivated to start Super 30 program in 2003, for which he is now an established name. So now it is very well known name, that is Super 30. And when he is started, he was inspired by an student who was not able to pay the annual fees. So that after seeing the student, that idea came into the mind of Anand Kumar. So students, every year in August since 2003, the Ramayan School of Mathematics, now a trust, holds a competitive test to select 30 students for the Super 30 scheme. So after that, in 2003, that school RSM started a competitive test, and after that, with the help of the result, they select 30 students for their Super 30 batch. About 4,000 to 5,000 students appear at the test, and eventually he select 30 to include beggars, hawkers, auto drivers, children, etc. He teaches them and provide study materials along with the fee lodging for a year. He prepares them for joint entrance examination for IIT. His mother Jayanti Devi cooks for the students, and his brother Pranav Kumar takes care of the management related activities. So since 2003, near about 4,000 to 5,000 students appear in the test, that is entrance test, and after that they select 30 students, and to that 30 students, to those 30 students, they provide lodging and food. His mother Jayanti Devi cooks for those students, and his brother Pranav Kumar, he works as a manager, and he takes care of management related activities. Super 30 produces brilliant result year after year. During 2000 to 2009, 182 students out of 210 have made to IITs. Surprising result, students out of 210, 182 students got selected. In the beginning, Anand Kumar has no financial support for Super 30 from any government or private agencies, but he managed on the tuition fees that he earned from his RSM. So that coaching he was giving to the students of the RSM. He was earning money from there, and he was providing the Super 30 batch as his best. After his growing popularity, he got many offers from the private, both national and international companies, as well as the government for financial help, but he always refused it. He wanted to sustain Super 30 through his own efforts. So, when his RSM and Mr. Anand Kumar both got very popular, so they got very impressive offers from some international and national companies, but after that he just wanted to go through Super 30 by its own efforts only. It is said that Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's role in movie Satyagrah was inspired by him. Maybe you have seen the movie Satyagrah, and the role of Amitabh Bachchan is inspired by Anand Kumar. Also, youth icon Hrithik Roshan is coming too as Anand Kumar in a yet to release movie reportedly called Super 30. So, students, that movie may be you have seen. If you have not seen, you must go through it. The movie is Super 30 and it is the main role is done by Mr. Hrithik Roshan. He is youth icon for us. And let's see, answer these questions orally. What do you think about Mr. Anand Kumar? So students, after reading this chapter, what do you think about Mr. Anand Kumar? You have to write it. Of which university he received a call letter from? So students, from Cambridge University he received a call letter from. Why did he and his father searched for? He searched, both of them searched for the help to go to Cambridge. How did he manage to meet his both ends meet? And what inspired him to start Super 30? This question you have to do, and notes you will get as your assignments. So students, that was all about your chapter 3 Super 30, and you will get assignment and notes. Till then, take care. We will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care students. Bye bye.